In today's video, I'll show you how you can get paid by simply clicking with your mouse. All of the platforms that I'll give you today are available worldwide and also absolutely free. If you're interested and want to make it work, make sure to stay until the end of this video so you can set it up properly. But just before we start with this tutorial, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aidenemia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get updated whenever I upload the brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And since I'm going to give you multiple platforms for today, just make sure that you keep watching till the end because I don't want you to get lost or confused. And let's proceed with the first platform for today, which is this one here called Surfbox. As you can see, this is over at surfbox.com. You're going to see over here that you can get paid per click because you're going to earn like 1 cent per each click that you're going to do. Advertisers come here in order to pay for getting advertised, of course, and going to be the one that is going to click on those ads. And actually just getting paid 1 cent per click, I know that you may think that it's not a lot, but the thing is that you just need to click with your mouse and that's it. You can click as many times as you want, and also it depends on you on how much time you want to put on this. So it doesn't require a lot of effort, that's why it just pays like 1 cent per click. You're going to see here that you can also earn per referral, so you can refer friends over here that you can get paid, and also you're going to see that you can get paid instantly and you're going to get on detailed statistics. Right here you're going to see that you can get paid through Payeer and Perfect Money, so these are like the two payment options that they offer for now. So you're going to earn without investment. As I said before, this is like 100% free, so you don't need to worry about that. If you want to see also the payment proofs, you can go over to statistics over here. In order to get started with this platform, you just need to click on the register button in the upper right corner so you can put some information about yourself and you can start getting paid again and again by just clicking, so you can get paid per each click. And let's proceed with the second platform for today, which is this one here called Scarlet Clicks. This is over at scarlet-clicks.info. You're going to see here that they have paid a total of more than $2 million, so this is huge considering that this platform pays you per click. They have like more than 1 million of total members, as you can see over here, so this is a very preferred platform and people are getting paid a lot of money with it. You're going to click on ads and you're going to get up to 1 cent per each click, and you're also going to get up to 100% referral earnings whenever people come over to here and use this platform through your referral link. You're going to get paid in passive income. You're going to get paid and earn money by clicking on ads, which is the one that we are going to focus on today, completing offers and also referring new members. You can cash out through different payment options like Skrill, NetTeller, Payeer, AirTM, and also in Bitcoin. So if you like cryptocurrency, you can also choose Bitcoin as a payment method. The minimum to cash out is just $2, as you can see, so you just need to have like $2 in your account in order to cash out. You have here that they offer also professional support and also detailed statistics, so you can check all of the clicks and also your balance. You're going to see down here that you have also proof of payments for even this platform, so you can check it out, and these payment proofs that these websites are actually legit and are getting people paid by just clicking. But also Scarlet Clicks pays people even by completing offers and referring new members, just like the previous website that pays you by referring people. So this was the second platform that I wanted to show you. I'm going to proceed with the third one, and this is kind of my favorite one, and I'm going to show you why. So this is over at SerpClix.com. This is a little bit different from the other platform. People come here because they want to get traffic to their website, they want to rank on Google higher, so they come here in order to ask for some traffic, and SerpClix is going to pay people in order to drive traffic to those websites by clicking those websites and visiting them, so they can get more higher on the Google rankings. So in order to become a clicker over here, you need to scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page, and then underneath account you need to click here on become a clicker, and it's going to take you over to this page. And just check this out, you can get paid from 5 cents to 10 cents per click, which is a lot more than the previous websites that I showed you today. If you just visit like 100 websites, you're going to get paid $10, which is a lot actually, considering that you're just going to click on those websites and that's it. You can earn 10% referral commission, so even this platform offers referral programs, so you can get paid by referring people. And also you're going to see that they offer a payout minimum of $5, so you just need to reach $1 in your account and you're going to just request your payment. So you're going to see that have been online since June 2016, so have been around for like 5 years now. So this shows that this is like a legit platform because they have been around for quite some time. And you're going to see down here that you're going to get paid through PayPal, which is also actually, once you reach the minimum threshold, you can receive your monthly clicker payout with PayPal. So this was the third platform for today. Let's proceed with the next one, which is this one here called Bux Inside. This is over at buxinside.com. You're going to get paid over here every 10 seconds by browsing their advertisers' websites. So you're going to earn simply by viewing the advertisement that they display. So you're just going to click on those ads and that's it. You're going to see here that you need to reach like $2 minimum payment in order to get paid, and they accept different payment options like PayPal. So this platform pays you in PayPal money, also Payza, AdCash, Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. What I want you to do is to go over to payments here in order to see some payment proof, and you're going to see over here that people from all around the world are getting paid big money with this platform. You're going to see here that they have made a total of more than $6,000, which is a lot actually, and sometimes like more than $2,000 and so on. So it has a lot of potential to make you a lot of money. Just you click on the register button up here, and then you're going to put your information and you're going to get started with Bux Inside in order to get paid per each click. So the next one that I wanted to show you is this one here called NeoBux. This is over neobux.com. You're going to get paid here to take surveys, to view advertisement, complete quizzes, play games, and more. So besides clicking on ads, you're also going to do some other tasks if you want to maximize your results. You're going to see down here that you can get paid through different payment options like Skrill, AirTM, NetTeller, but also PayPal, which is awesome because I know that most of you love to get paid through PayPal. You can of course use all of this platform in order to maximize your results, so you can get paid even more, and it depends on you on how much time you want to put on all of these platforms that I showed you today. So with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope that you liked this strategy. So if you did, give this video a thumbs up, a comment down below, and let me know which of these websites is your favorite one. Of course, subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.